this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use fruit here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and I can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you have to get a fruit. The best way to do this is just making your way over to Sailor Island, and you can just teleport. Once you teleport, make your way in this main area, and then you're going to see the coin fruit dealer over here. You can interact with this guy, or you can also go ahead and make your way over to the gem fruit dealer as well and interact with this guy as well. Now, essentially, once you go ahead and do that, and get yourself a fruit, you just have to select it in your inventory and then select it again and hit confirm up here and you'll use that. You can also hit no and of course it won't use it. You're going to want to aim for something like light, for example. I think light's the very best one because you have the mobility aspect. Bomb and flame and invisible are not too good, so I honestly would not recommend using those ones, but that's just me. But that really is it. Just select the option, choose to eat it, and once you eat it, you'll gain the abilities. And there is a lot of abilities to go with this as well. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.